and we won't have to cry no more.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is MaryLanae, and today's video I am going to be doing a haul on not clothes that I've bought, but clothes that I want to sell. Because I am broke and I am moving across the country in April, May, June, July. In 5 months, I will be moving from New Jersey to California. So in effort to make sure that I'm not dead broke when I get there, I'm trying to sell and make as much money in these 5 months as I possibly can. So this video is basically going to be me showing you guys the items that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark, Depop. Also, I have a shop on Etsy that you guys can look at. I'll link that all below. Also, in the description box below, I will have links to all the clothes that I'm selling. In this video, I'll tell you exactly how much I'm selling them for. If you guys are interested, make sure you send this video to anybody who you think will like these clothes. I need to get rid of them. I also have like a pile of clothes that is going to Goodwill. Like, not all the clothes that I am selling are the ones that I'm giving away. I do want to give away to the less fortunate. But these are the clothes that I really love but don't want anymore, and I want to give them to people. Well, I want to sell them to people who would pay for them. Does that make sense? Some of these clothes are from their store. Some of these clothes are from... None of these clothes are from designer stores. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. But before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get to it. Okay, so the very first item that I'm selling is this red faux fur jacket. This is a perfect jacket that you would wear going to brunch, or when you just want something really light and cute to wear as a statement piece, as you can see with this black dress that I paired it with. It's not the warmest jacket, but it is very cute. It doesn't come with pockets. It's just a cute little thing to put on. The next item I'm selling is this gray pantsuit blazer. This is definitely the blazer that you found in the back of your mom's closet that she wore in the 1980s to her picture day. If I had the time, I could have made it look a little better, but I'm selling it. Oh my gosh, what the heck? The next item I'm selling is this really cute jacket. I love jean jackets, but this one is a little too big for me. I like how stretchy that it is. It comes with a zipper. It's got this like cool like biker retro look going on. The next item I'm selling is this ginger and white sweater. It's very thick and very warm. You'll be very warm in this sweater, and it's also a little long, so that's why I like to tuck it. The next is this Ice Cube shirt. I love Ice Cube with all my heart, but I have to let him go. It's my Ice Cube crop top. It's just a cute graphic tee that you can wear with jeans or some shorts. I actually really love this shirt. It's a zip up, it's a striped zipper shirt. You can wear it as like a jacket, or you can wear it as a shirt itself. It's really like cute 70s disco vibes going on, but I think it looked really good with some black jeans and some high boots. So yeah. The next one is this purple ribbed bodysuit. I'm selling it for $11. It's nothing too fancy. The material is kind of thick, so it's definitely something that you could wear when you want to be a little bit warm. Yeah, and it's stretchy as well. I actually bought this and I couldn't fit it, and I was like, I'm gonna lose weight till I fit it, and now I fit it, but I still don't want it, so I'm selling it. period. These are the perfect camp counselor shorts. If you're a camp counselor, you know, from like the Addams Family, how they wore those shorts, these are the exact ones. It's not really flattering on like your figure. I was going to try to alter them, but I was like, let me see if somebody else wants them before I do this. So yeah, you guys get these mom jeans. Wow, this is probably one of my favorite midi skirts, but I've worn it a couple times and I'm ready to get rid of it. It's very tight on the top part, but it gives you like an hourglass shape. It's very good with your figure and accentuates all your curves. Yes, sis. The next one are these pink pants. These are kind of like business pants, but they are a little tight. I don't know if you would wear it for an interview or whatever, or if you wanted to wear them out to brunch. They're actually really soft, and yeah. Yes. This is just a regular gray jumpsuit. I bought this to wear for my birthday, and it was like, my birthday's in June, so it was a little hot, and this is definitely like a late spring, early summer outfit. It's opened a little bit in the back, but nothing too crazy, and it does have like, show like a little décolletage. This outfit is really giving me Velma vibes, so I'm telling this green button-up skirt. It is so cute, so soft, but it is very short on my 5'1" body. I don't know who is wearing this. It's very soft and it buttons all the way up, and I really like it. This is just your basic picnic dress. It's really cute for when you want to be picnicky. I like it because it like hugs my boobs, so I don't even have to wear a bra. Next is this metallic shimmer dress. I've actually never had the chance to wear this dress. It was given to me by one of my friends, but I just don't think I'll ever have a place or occasion to wear it, so I'm giving it away. It's very stretchy. I like it if I ever wanted to wear it. Next and last are these overalls that I bought from Rainbow, and I distressed them myself. If you like the way I distressed them, I definitely think you should get them. They're called short-alls because they're short overalls, but yeah, I really like either having one strap down or both straps up, depending what look you want to go for. I usually pair it with like a tube top. It's really cute. You guys check it out. In the description box below, I will have links to all the clothes that I'm selling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like this video.